Global market trends highlight a predominantly negative sentiments across the Americas, with major indices registering losses amid growing economic concern. In the United States, the Dow Jones fell 0.70%, losing over 300 points to close at 42,691.67. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq followed suit, declining by 0.69% and 0.72% respectively. As pressure mounts on both tech-heavy and broader markets, the Russell 2000, reflecting smaller caps companies, mirrored their losses, and with 0.70 dip, the Canadian market also faced a challenging session. The S&P TSX Composite dropped 0.68%, shedding 169.57 points, while the S&P TSX 60 fell 0.71%, reflecting weakness across key sectors including energy and financials. Brazil's Bovespa index remained largely flat with a minimal decline of 0.01% as cautious optimism balanced broader regional pressures. Conversely, Chile's S&P IPSA index stood out of the sole gainer, rising by 0.10%, signaling localized strength possibly in commodities or specific sectors, driving investors' confidence. Mexico's S&P BMV IPC recorded a notable drop of 0.54%, losing 265.43 points as global uncertainty and domestic factors weighed on the market. The broader sell-off across most markets underscore concerns over rising interest rate, inflationary pressures, and geopolitical risk. The standout performance from Chile suggests selective opportunities in otherwise challenging conditions, but the overall global investor remains in the risk-off mode as they navigate the turbulent economic landscape. The commodity market witnessed mixed sentiments and movements today, with energy commodities climbing while precious metal faced downward pressures. Here's a detailed look at the trends. In the energy sector, the WTI crude oil rose by 1.19% to $71.44%, and Brent crude oil gained 0.85% to $74.42. The increases suggest renewed optimism for oil demand, possibly linked to the supply adjustment or geopolitical development supporting prices. Additionally, natural gas surged nearly 10%, closing at $3.6. This significant uptick reflects heightened seasonal demand amid colder weather and potential supply constraints. Precious metals, however, painted a different picture. Gold fell by 0.6% to $2,615 as investors pivoted away from the safe haven assets amid easing economic uncertainties or rising bond yields. Silver experienced a sharper drop, losing 1.95% to settle at $29.39, mirroring broader weaknesses in the metal market. In the agriculture stock, soybean showed minimal change, slipping 0.02% to the $9.88, reflecting stable market conditions with the balanced supply and demand. Today's reel, the trend also highlights the evolving market narrative. Energy market gains strength as demand rebounds, while precious metal face selling pressures amid shifting investors sentiments. Also, the natural gas sharp rise in the particular notable, and many indicate heightened volatility in the weeks ahead. Investors remain alert to macroeconomic and geopolitical drivers influencing these markets.